हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू आवर चैनल नाउ यू नो। आज इस वीडियो में हम लोग सीखेंगे कि HTML का यूज़ हम कैसे कर सकते हैं। तो बेसिकली HTML क्या है? HTML इज हाइपरटेक्स्ट मार्कअप लैंग्वेज। हाइपरटेक्स्ट मार्कअप लैंग्वेज, ये लैंग्वेज जनरली हमें अगर स्टैटिक वेब पेज बनाना है तो स्टैटिक वेब पेज बनाने के लिए हम HTML का यूज़ कर सकते हैं। HTML एक वेल ऑर्गेनाइज्ड एंड इजी टू अंडरस्टैंड वेब बिल्डिंग लैंग्वेज है और वी कैन क्रिएट स्टैटिक वेब पेज। जनरली ये एक टैग से बने होते हैं। टैग मतलब इसमें ग्रेटर देन और लेस देन साइन आती है। सो व्हाट इज अ टैग? Tags are enclosed in an angular bracket. There are two types of tag, pair tag and unpaired tag. Pair tag मतलब जिसका क्लोजिंग होता है और unpaired tag मतलब जिसको क्लोज करने की जरूरत नहीं होती है। जनरली टैग का फॉर्मेट कैसा होता है? तो टैग का फॉर्मेट लाइक टैग नेम, उसका एट्रीब्यूट और उसकी वैल्यू। देयर कैन बी मोर देन वन एट्रीब्यूट्स। एक से ज़्यादा एट्रीब्यूट हो सकते हो, एक से ज़्यादा वैल्यू भी हो सकती है। नाउ HTML के लिए हमें क्या चाहिए? तो HTML के लिए हमें एक तो HTML एडिटर चाहिए, दैट कैन बी ए नोटपैड, और वी कैन यूज एनी ब्राउजर लाइक मोजिला फायरफॉक्स, गूगल क्रोम और जियो ब्राउजर। एनी अदर ब्राउजर कैन बी यूज। एक खास याद रखना है कि जब भी आप फाइल को सेव करो तो देख लेना है कि उसका एक्सटेंशन .htm ही होना चाहिए। HTML भी हो सकता है और HTML भी हो सकता है। और एक और बात, HTML इज नॉट केस सेंसिटिव, मतलब कि उसमें कैपिटल लिखो कि स्मॉल लिखो कोई फर्क पड़ता नहीं। So now let us do some practicals of HTML. You know very well that there are four main HTML tags: HTML, head, title and body. Each tag has its own importance. Like HTML tag indicates the browser that HTML language starts from here. Head tag indicates metadata. Metadata in the sense it is data about data. Then the title tag, that is the title. This title will be displayed on the title bar of a browser. It is compulsory to over this tag, so I had written slash title. Then head is also over. Then we start body. Body is the actual content of your web page. In this content I had written h1 and center. H1 means heading 1 and center is the alignment. Welcome to your channel slash center slash h1. And now body is also over and HTML is also over. Now let us see the preview of this particular tag. Over here we had used Notepad as an HTML editor. You can use any of the editor. Right now I will save the file. You should remember that when you save the file, the extension should be always .htm. I'm writing the name youtube.htm and I save the file. So now in order to open the file, I will open any of the browser. This browser is open the file, select the file, open. So over here you can see the message, welcome to your channel, and you can also see the title, now you know. Right? So this is the output of this particular HTML file. There are six main HTML heading tag: H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6. So these are the six main heading tag. Along with that, I had also used B, that is for bold. If you want to make the text bold, you can use B for bold, I for italic, U for underline, S that is strike out. Suppose A state text आपको लिखनी है पर उस पे एक strike चाहिए तो इसके लिए S for strike. TT, that is for HTML true type font. It's kind of special fonts that the text will be displayed in special font. At the end of every statement I have written BR. So here BR is for line break. Suppose if you want to make the statement in next line, you can use BR tag. BR for line break. So this is the output of the file, like H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6. This is a bold text, this is italic text, you can see this is underlined text. Here you can see the strike, the text is written but you can see a line over it, and this is true type font, a special types of font, and it is something different than normal font. Okay, the next tag is to insert image, a picture in our HTML web page. So for that the tag is img src. IMG stands for image, SRC means source. I had written the path to insert the picture. IMAG, that is image is the folder name in which this particular file is located. YouTube.jpg. Over here I have also specified the width and height of the picture. You can specify width and height of the picture. Again I will save the file. After saving the file, when you click the browser, you can see the output as so. You can add border to this particular file. You can write border equal to, say for example, 5. Save the file, and again when you refresh, you will get the border over here. So this is how you can insert image in a particular web page. And the last tag of this particular video, that is marquee tag. Suppose if you want a scrolling text, you want the text must scroll, then the tag is marquee, right? I had written the text. HTML is very easy language, and slash marquee, so this text will scroll. Along with marquee tag, these are the list of attributes that you can add with marquee tag, like behavior, direction, width, height, scroll amount, scroll delay, loop, and bg color. Right, this is another example where I had written all the attributes, like behavior is equal to alternate. So other values of behavior will be alternate, slide, and scroll. Again, scroll amount to increase or decrease the speed of this particular scrolling text. Scroll amount is equal to 30, scroll delay is equal to 100. You can also specify width, you can also specify height. Direction is equal to up, you can specify 4 direction: left, right, up, and down. Even you can specify the color. BG color is equal to red. I had specified again the align is equal to center. The text is have a wonderful day ahead. Slash marking slash text. So you can see the text will scroll over here. This is a simple text. HTML is very easy language without any effect. And over here you can see the text is scrolling. Right? We had added the count, so it will be loop, that is it will continuously move for that many times. So thank you this much for this video, and hope if you have not yet subscribed, please click on subscribe button. Thank you.